This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a Word Docs file into a PDF using Microsoft Word Online. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Word. To convert a Word document into a PDF, as you can see here, I have a little example Word document here. I'm going to convert this into a PDF. It's very easy to do. First thing I'm going to do is go off to the upper left-hand corner and I'm going to click on the File tab. File. Then in the pane off to the left-hand side here, I'm going to go down and click on Save As. And then right off here in the center pane, Download as PDF. I'm going to click on Download as PDF. A little dialog box will open up telling you your document is ready. I'm going to click on Download. Then I can name my file if I want. I'm going to leave it the way it is. And I'm going to click on Save. Now if I open that folder that I just saved it in, there's my PDF that I just created. I converted the Word document file into a PDF. Thanks for watching.